This has been donated.
With small acts of kindness and basic survival supplies.
There's hygiene items and then there's some comfort items.
The Austin Disaster Relief Network hopes to extend dignity to Hurricane Ida survivors.
Just having your own toothbrush and your own hairbrush, it's like, okay, this is kind of a normal thing.
ADRN, a nonprofit, is asking Austinites to donate these survivor care kits.
Something to make them feel a sense of normalcy.
They're requesting basic care items and have a list of suggested bin contents on their website.
So it'll be men, women, sometimes kids, but it'll tell them there on the site.
ADRN is asking for new items in labeled and duct-taped stackable bins.
If we ourselves were impacted and lost much, we would want something that was of a reasonable value, and we encourage people to be thoughtful about that.
You need a receipt or anything?
No, sir.
All right, well, we appreciate it, sir. Thank you so much. You have a great day.
Eager to help survivors of Ida, Austinite Brendan Kennedy dropped off supplies at ADRN Monday.
I just remember the winter storm and how much need there was, and I remember seeing that the power going out in New Orleans just made me think about the difficulties all of us up here had. It definitely brought to mind how indiscriminate those types of disasters can be. It can affect any of us.